guys, from beach we had a taxi to and fro for a waterfall. So this is on the way. We are going over there. So it's a smooth road with altogether beautiful sights, sceneries, a lot of greenery over there. So guys, we are in Lombak and we're going, you can see the middle of the mountains with the cloud mist on top. See it from here. Beautiful day, beautiful weather over here. You can see the blue sky and there's mist on the cloud on the top of the mountain. You can see it from here. So guys, when you're going for a waterfall, so these are the basically a track what you would just follow it. So it's having a steady steps over there. It's properly done, so not very bumpy or so you can walk through and you can find a beautiful scenery all around. So guys, it is like this. So some place it is up and some places it's down on the way, and you start hearing that beautiful waterfall sound what you can see it over there. So guys, we are at Lombak where the car is going to get parked, and this is a restaurant where the terrace you can find a beautiful mountain with a cloud mist. And this is the restaurant, and this is the place where you can see that. And from here you can also see a first waterfall. So basically it's a two waterfall. So that's the first waterfall what you can see from here. So that's the place. So you can take a photograph. And you can see, and beside this you can also see from here that paddy field.
In the mango tree also.
Mango tree?
Yeah.
Maybe eating mango.
But black monkeys.
Here you can see the more
Black monkeys.
monkeys over here.
See with the
Monkeys have been there. So lots of monkeys. So guys, this is the canal from where that it is coming from waterfall number 2, which is having a strong current. So the people are doing the rafting over here. So it's basically a 80-meter long cave through which the rafting is being done. So you're coming out from here to this place, and this is also get connected to a waterfall 1. So this is a beautiful waterfall 1 which you're going to see it from here. So that's a beautiful view. This is the canal which is coming from waterfall number 2. Okay, he is Sundarman, and who has taken us to for a guide and taken it to for a waterfall 1 and 2, and I want to rate him a 5 out of 5. He's very good, and he has helped us around with seeing the track as well as for the photograph of the family photographs and everything. So
Thank you so much.
thank you so
Sundarman.
much,
Thank you so
Sundarman.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for everything. Thank
Yeah.
you for come to my village.
Sure, we will do that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank